Introducing the GBF SentryLink Smart Intercom System for multi-dwelling residential and commercial premises. The SentryLink system is your ultimate answer from anywhere door entry solution. Visitor calls will push a notification to your iOS and Android devices, anywhere your mobile device has a connection to the Internet. Capable of managing from 2 to 1,000 tenants or suites, no application is too big or too small for the SentryLink Outdoor Station. Users can easily create and distribute virtual keys, allowing the ultimate in user convenience for applications such as Airbnb, and service or delivery personnel access. Cloud-based remote management allows for event log retrieval and centralized access control administration. The GBF SentryLink Door Station features a 10-inch touchscreen, programmed with a user-friendly, uncluttered appearance. The onboard RFID reader enables facilities to optionally use RFID key cards and key fobs for access control, all recorded in the event log for review. 2 integrated relays allow for selectable control of 2 doors or gates, and the system is installer-friendly with the requirement of only 3 connections: power, internet, and lock control. For tenants that do not have mobile devices, a 7-inch wall-mounted indoor station is available, and features all of the functions available in the free SentryLink app. The outdoor station is available in 2 configurations, flush mount, and a surface mount version which features an integrated rain cover. And as with all of our GBF products, the GBF SentryLink system features a 2-year warranty. For this demonstration, the mobile device has its Wi-Fi turned off and is on the LTE network so as to be able to illustrate a typical call in response time through the SentryLink external servers. When your guest presses the call icon on your listing in the door station directory, a push notification is sent to all mobile devices registered to the listing. In this instance, the notification wakes up our phone and displays the GBF SentryLink call in notification screen. Accepting the call, you are connected to your guest at the GBF SentryLink station with live video and 2-way audio. If you wish to allow access to the calling guest, simply slide the icon of the desired door to the right. The door access will unlock and the video call will automatically end. If your guest is at the SentryLink Outdoor Station, but has contacted you using a method other than through the SentryLink system, you may still access the SentryLink Live View by simply opening the app, and pressing on the preview screen. You may then confirm your visitor, and slide the icon of the desired door to unlock and allow access for your guest. Pressing on the door code icon, you can create and distribute temporary door codes to other users. This example shows a previously created door code named Stan. Pressing the plus icon will allow you to add an additional temporary door code. Enter a name for this code, and select which door or doors the code can access. Fixed durations of 1 day or 1 month can be selected, or you can define a specific starting time, date, and duration that the access will be active. Press Create and OK to confirm your selection. The new door code will be saved to the cloud, and will be written to the outdoor station within 10 minutes. At this point you may share the PIN code created by pressing the Share arrow icon that is associated with the newly created access code, which automatically copies the PIN information to your clipboard. Then you can paste and send the information through your desired app. As an example, using email, simply paste the information into the body of your message. The information shows the PIN code as well as a web address through which you are able to generate a QR code file of the new PIN code. To delete or revoke a code, simply go into the door code section, select which code you'd like to delete, and hit the X delete icon to remove and revoke that code. Temporary codes will be updated from the cloud to the SentryLink Outdoor Station within 10 minutes. When your visitor first approaches an idle GBF SentryLink Outdoor Station, they will be greeted with a sequence of default images. Custom display images can also be programmed, allowing for advertising and/or tenant information. After tapping anywhere on the screen as instructed, the outdoor station screen automatically displays the tenant directory by default. Alternatively, the outdoor station can be programmed, during the initial installation, to display the PIN code access page first. Using the SentryLink directory. The advanced outdoor station directory search function can be initiated by simply touching the search field, and then pressing the initial letter of the first or last name of the party you wish to call. With each additional character, the list will automatically filter down to a smaller list of eligible entries. Characters entered into the search field will automatically filter the list by first name, last name, and room number. When the list is narrowed down showing the directory listing desired, press the call icon on the listing to initiate a call to all devices registered to the listing. If you desire to use your PIN code for entry, and the directory screen is displayed, simply tap the password logo at the top of the screen and enter your 6 or 8-digit PIN. If the PIN is valid, the door will automatically unlock. Using the built-in NFC reader, you can simply present a registered tag in front of the reader icon to release the door lock. In this demonstration, the first unregistered tag is read and ignored. From within the app, clicking on the event log icon will display a list of events specific to the room to which your mobile device is associated. You can scroll through the list, and by tapping on the play icon of a particular event, a brief video clip of the event will play. Users may access the settings of the SentryLink app by pressing the gear cog icon in the upper right of the screen. The first displayed line shows the unique door station PIN number assigned to the user account. Going to the Access Permissions section allows you to share the door station call-in notifications and door access with others, used most often for tenants sharing a common suite. To add an access, press the plus icon, and enter the email address of the person with whom you would like to share access. They in turn will create a SentryLink account through the app using that same email address. If you go to the Indoor Monitor section, users can add one of GBF's optional wireless indoor stations by simply scanning the QR code that will display on an unconfigured indoor monitor screen after power up. Going to the Modifying Master Account section, here you would be able to change the primary account email address so as to grant master privileges, such as creating access permissions, to another email address. In the Device Info section, various diagnostic data is available when requested by tech support. Going back to the main page, when you hit the settings bars in the upper left, you will be able to see which account or email address the SentryLink app is currently signed in under. Tapping on the picture will bring you to your app account information, where you can modify the account password, add a profile picture, and add a phone number. Under Settings, users are able to clean the memory cache file, if required. In the album, you are able to view the snapshot images that were taken either through a live video session or snapshots taken from video viewed in the event log. Tapping on the picture brings up the share icon, which can be used to distribute or archive the image to another device. Long pressing on the picture brings up the option of deleting the image. Accessing the Help section of the app, scrolling down will guide users through the 3 simple steps required to successfully configure their mobile device for use with the SentryLink system. Scrolling further will offer some frequently asked questions with answers. Using the cloud-based property management software on any web browser, system administrators can modify all of the parameters required to configure your GBF SentryLink system. In the Building Information section, administrators can refine the search for your building, using the building name, which property management company is associated with the building, and location information of the building using the city, state, and country. The results can be sorted alphabetically or numerically. Selecting a building, administrators may edit the details including the building name and style, and select whether or not the GBF SentryLink Outdoor Station is to support QR code access, NFC for RFID cards or fobs, and the ability to export report logs from the cloud. In this section you can add details such as the admin phone number, building address and the time zone, as well as the ability to assign the building to a management company. Pressing Submit will send the updated configuration to the cloud. Updates to any parameters in the SentryLink configuration can take up to 10 minutes to take effect on your GBF SentryLink Outdoor Station, as the cloud parameters are refreshed on the outdoor station every 10 minutes. From the Rooms Information section, you can program in the individual tenant information. By selecting a tenant and choosing to edit that profile, you are able to change the room definition, the room number, and the floor label. The floor label is utilized with GBF's optional elevator control system. For administrative purposes, you should enter the tenant's actual first and last name, and for tenants that wish to be anonymous on the SentryLink Outdoor Station directory, administrators have the ability to input a custom name. Only the room number and tenant name, or defined display name, if used, are displayed in the directory. All room information is linked to a master account email, which will need to be referenced when the tenant is configuring the SentryLink app. A couple of persistent buttons exist on the room entry screen. Clicking on the NFC button opens the NFC section of the selected tenant, in which administrators can directly add or delete RFID cards or key fobs. To add a card or fob, simply type in the serial number imprinted onto the RFID device. Pressing Submit saves the information to the cloud. Opening the NFC section again shows the newly added serial number, at which point additional cards and fobs can be programmed. RFID tags submitted in this manner will be registered to the apartment, and any RFID activity will be recorded to the event log under that apartment name. From the NFC info section, we are able to filter and edit RFID information as required. Information can be filtered by building name, unit number, and RFID serial number, and results can be sorted alphabetically or numerically. Updates to any parameters in the SentryLink configuration can take up to 10 minutes, as the cloud parameters are refreshed on the GBF SentryLink Outdoor Station every 10 minutes. Accessing the Unlock Records section of the Property Manager web interface allows administrators to view an activity log of all rooms, temporary codes and NFC tags associated with a managed GBF SentryLink Outdoor Station. The log results can be filtered by building name, unit number, and event type, and results can be sorted alphabetically or numerically. This example shows that door access has been granted using a remote fixed password, which means that access has been granted through the mobile app. This entry indicates the lock has been opened with an RFID card or key fob. The entry indicating manually unlock with the password is door access using a PIN number. PIN numbers are randomly assigned by the SentryLink system during programming to avoid the confusion of duplicate PIN numbers. This line entry shows an incoming call from the outdoor station, followed by the confirmation answer from the mobile app. The password change section is used to change the logon password for the system administrator. Thank you for your interest in GBF Electronics system products and solutions. Proudly distributed and supported in Canada, GBF products will continue to offer our customers exceptional value. Should you have any further questions, please contact us by email at info@gbfelectronics.com, and for the latest in products and support, check our website at www.gbfelectronics.com.